And for today's show, it's me, Guglielmo Caggiano, speaking at sVoltaGreen on what our school does to make school lectures aware of climate change challenges. That's right, dear listeners. I'm going to talk about Torino's Alessandro Volta High School and the origin of the name behind our beloved podcast, sVolta Green. As we all know, climate change is causing problems and disasters all over the world, which are increasing year after year. It is now impossible to deny the evidence, and since serious problems such as drought are not only affecting distant tropical countries but also Italy, the young people are becoming more and more worried about their future. And that's why a group made up of students and professors was founded in our school to talk, discuss, and plan methods to decrease the environmental impact of the school in order to raise awareness among the students and be a point of reference for other schools in Italy. The project I'm talking about is the one and only Svolta Green. Born from the commitment of four professors, this project collaborates with the 2030 Agenda and has the aim of making the Institute a real laboratory of sustainability, in which people can experiment with ideas to promote the objectives of the agenda. We involve students in this project by proposing PCTO activities that focus mainly on objectives 3, 4, 12, and 13 of the agenda. They deal with the circular economy, the reduction and recovery of waste, the promotion of well-being and environmental sustainability, and the communication and dissemination of ecological culture. Svolta Green over the years has generated various paths that have involved students and professors in this continuous environmental struggle. We can see some, such as Ecolta Differenziamoci, in collaboration with Edu Iren, Informa con Gusto, Ufficio Stampa Ambiente, and the more recent Volta Footprint. This project in particular aimed to make people reflect on the weight of one's choices, the importance of collective actions, and how it is better to act to ensure a better, more sustainable future, especially for our institute, of course. In particular, the initiative deals with environmental accounting. It aims to calculate the school's carbon footprint, therefore estimate the greenhouse gas emissions determined over the course of the school year, a parameter generally expressed in tons of CO2 equivalent. To do so, the students needed to collect all useful data on the issue of everything that is scholastic, informing themselves through interviews with staff and the analysis of documents such as bills or expenses of the various institutions of the institute, like bar, caretaker, secretary, and etc. The data collected was then divided into an Excel sheet where they were carefully classified according to type, origin, and value. Subsequently, the CO2 determined from the various data was mathematically quantified and subsequently added to calculate the institute's carbon footprint. Obviously, the contribution we give to our school to make it greener is not big enough to convince the whole world. But we know that in our small we are doing the right thing. And maybe in some time we will be able to raise awareness of the other people who, like us, will contribute to make the difference. Let's just hope it happens soon, because now one thing we no longer have is more time to wait. All the information are kindly provided by the official website of liceovolta.eu, by the school newspaper, and of course by the dedicated page Svolta Green. Thanks everyone for your attention. I hope you enjoyed your hearing, and let's see you soon in another episode of Svolta Green, our Planet Earth dedicated podcast. Bye!